Hello folks, this lesson is going out for Luca Grop, who requested this over at Patreon, Mr. Big's Shine, featuring Ritchie Kotzen on guitar. Now the album tuning for this is down half a step. I'm going to teach you this in standard tuning, so just bear that in mind. Tone-wise, I've gone for the light speed. You want like a sort of lightish... that sort of stuff going on. And then for the intro part, we've got the jam pedals, Harmonious Monk version 2. For that little bit at the beginning. So let's start with the basic chords. It's going to be an E, E major, B major, A sus2, and then that last chord, I'm not even sure what it is, but you know, you take your third finger off, so you've got 0, 2, 1. It's almost an A major 7 sus2, if that's even a thing. But he does some fills there. And then you go around. Okay, so the intro part then is that. Little rundown there, okay? So, done the E, we go to B. But he does... Or you could do... If you want it all to ring out. A sus2. Then you do a half step bend on the first fret on the G. Okay. Then down. Then turn off your tremolo, and then you're going to go up the 12th fret and play these double stops. So one bar, all eighth notes. So 8 of these. Then we go to 12, 11. So I'm just taking my third finger off there. 3 of these. Back on for 3. Back off for 2. Another bar. Another 3. 9th fret. 11th fret for 2. And the verse is cool. I think he does this. And around again, okay? So that is a B power chord, but with E in the bass. With that rhythm. And then we go to the B. And he does a little fill, a little half step bend and release. Then he goes to this weird chord. Now, you could mix it up. You could do that sort of stuff, right? Where you play an A5 for the first bar and then go to the that weird one. The major 7-ish type one. Then the second time round we have this fill. So you got that going on, right? Then we're into the pre-chorus, and over the top he plays this. So an E major chord, 2, 3, 4. That comes in on the 4 and. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you have this grace note slide where you go 2 to 4. And the same again when you go to 7. And there you go on the 7th, 8th note, right? So on the 4 and again. So it's... And it hangs over into the next bar. And then this is just building up into the chorus now. So we have an F sharp minor next. But you move up here then for this. I'm fretting that so I can play. Okay, so you'd go 2, 3. Then. So that again slowly. 3. For the chorus, I've kind of combined 2 parts. I think there's an overdub with some octaves, but you can play it like this. Second time slightly different, but let's go for this one again. 2, 3, 4. Again, coming in on the forehand. 2, 3, 4. And the second time, another overdub I've combined with this riff, so we go. Like that, okay, so again, go to the B, and then 6 B5s basically. And we go to this, D. So, that's what's happening with the D5. And then you repeat from the beginning riff. Then when you come to the chorus again, we're going to do. Then you do this. And then you can add a bit of fuzz to that if you want. I've just chucked the mother load on actually, which has got a muff circuit in it. So I'll play the whole thing slowly. It would be like this. 3, 4. And then you go up to that part, right? Let's go through that slowly. It's the 11th fret. That's the first section. So this actually starts on the forehand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And it hangs over into the next bar. And from there, you're going to strike and then slide, okay? All the way down. So we've got 11 to 9, 9 to 7, 7 to 4, 4 to 2. From the B, we go back up. Okay. So 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 9. Again, that hangs over into the next bar. Quite a nicely extended run. And then you're going to do this grace note slide. And then you play the open. I'm using my thumb and third finger there actually to play that. He plays with his fingers quite a lot actually, his thumb and fingers. So again, that last part. And then we're kind of coming out of the solo here, but we go up to the 11th fret. So we go. So slowly we have. One more time. Watch this bit. Okay. And then. Just some power chords there. And when you hit that part, which is the forehand, this will come in over the top. 3, 4. And then we have like that. Okay, so that is just 3, 4, and then we're into the next bar, and you play another 3. And from there it shifts slightly, right? So you're just playing 4 times of each, 4/8 notes of each. But they're offset slightly because you start on the forehand, so it's 3, 4. And then you can add that in there, and then we go up to the 17th fret. And that's that done, right? And then we have this again. And again there, I would aim to get that sorted out first and then add your little finger, because you've got 2/8 notes to sort your little finger out, okay? I wouldn't go for that, then adding that. It makes sense to get that sorted first, okay? And then you repeat the chorus to end. So that is it, people. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.